Choosing accounting software in 2026 feels harder than it should. You're running a business, not trying to become an accountant. Too many tools, too many features, and most of them slow you down. Here's the truth. Most businesses don't need more features. They need clarity. Complex dashboards waste time, manual data entry kills focus, and confusion costs money. In 2026, accounting software should do 6 things well. It should work in the cloud, show your numbers in real time, automate the boring stuff, make invoicing simple, connect to your bank and apps, and charge a fair price. Anything else is noise. The biggest mistake? Choosing software because it's popular or because your accountant likes it. Big software isn't always better, it's often just heavier. This is where Xero stands out. Xero is designed for business owners, not accounting professionals only. It's clean, it's simple, and it doesn't fight you at every step. With Xero, you see your cash flow in real time. Your bank transactions sync automatically. Invoices take minutes, not hours. Reports are easy to read. Even if you hate numbers, you spend less time managing money and more time growing the business. Traditional accounting software is powerful, but power comes with complexity. Xero takes a different approach. It gives you what you need and removes what you don't. That's the difference. Who Xero is best for? Xero works best for freelancers, small businesses, e-commerce sellers, agencies, and growing startups. If you want clarity without confusion, it fits. Before you choose any accounting software, ask 3 questions. Can I learn it in one day? Will it save me time every week? Can it grow with my business? If the answer is no, move on. Final recommendation. For most businesses in 2026, Xero is the smartest choice. Not because it's trendy, because it's practical. And practical always wins. Call to action. Don't take my word for it. Try Xero yourself. Test it with real numbers. You'll find the best available deal in the description below. End. Less time on accounting, more time on what actually matters. That's how accounting should work in 2026.